The Redmi Note 12R Pro is a 5G smartphone that is set to launch in China on April 29, as announced by the company through a Weibo post. The phone will be available in black, gold, and white color options, and features a 48-megapixel primary camera. It will pack up to 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of inbuilt storage. The phone will come with an OLED panel with up to 120 Hz refresh rate. It will be joining the Redmi Note 12 series, which was launched in China in October 2022. The upcoming Redmi Note 12R Pro's design and color options were teased by the company through a Weibo post. The phone will debut in China on April 29 and will be available in black, white, and gold colors. It will feature a dual camera setup with a 48-megapixel primary sensor and a flash on its rear panel. The phone will have the Redmi 5G branding and will support 5G connectivity. The power button and volume rockers will be located on the right side of the phone. Redmi has confirmed that the upcoming smartphone will have a 120 Hz OLED display with SGS low blue light certification for eye protection. The phone will have up to 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of inbuilt storage. It will be powered by a Snapdragon 4 Gen 1 SoC. The phone will be available for purchase in China on April 29 at 10 o'clock. The Redmi Note 12R Pro will be a part of the Redmi Note 12 series, which was launched in October last year. The series comprises 3 models, namely the Redmi Note 12, Redmi Note 12 Pro, and Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus. All 3 phones feature an OLED display, up to 120 Hz refresh rate, a 5000 mAh battery, a customized version of Xiaomi's MIUI 13 skin, and a 16-megapixel selfie shooter. However, they are powered by different chipsets, with the Redmi Note 12 Pro and Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus being powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 1080 SoC, while the vanilla model is powered by a Snapdragon 4 Gen 1 SoC.